Good morning children. This video is for class 3 subject mathematics. Term 3 chapter number 2 and the name of the chapter is money. This is our lecture number 6. So beta today we will learn about HOTS questions and division sums of money. So let's start.
Yes, beta. So first of all, we will learn about HOTS questions, which is given on page number 21 in your book. So here, what do you mean by HOTS, beta? Higher order thinking skill. Okay. So now we will do HOTS question. Question number 1. Sakshi decides to make a fruit punch for the party. She purchases. साक्षी ने बेटा डिसाइड किया कि उसके घर में जो पार्टी है उसके लिए वो फ्रूट पंच बनाएगी. फ्रूट पंच मीन्स फलों का रस. ओके, सो शी परचेजेस. उसने परचेज किया. क्या परचेज किया? लेट्स सी. 2 bottles of orange juice at ₹95 each. उसने 2 bottles orange juice के लिए जिसका प्राइस था 95 रुपीज ईच, मतलब हर एक बॉटल का प्राइस था 95 रुपीज. ओके, so to find out the total of 2 bottles, what we will do, we will multiply 95 by 2. Okay, and that is equal to ₹190. So she spent ₹190 for orange juice. Okay, now in B part, 4 apples at ₹15 each. उसने 4 apples परचेज किए जो कि एक एप्पल 15 रुपीज का था. So for that, to find out the total money spent on apples, we will multiply 15 by 4, and 15 fours are 60. So here we will write 60 below it. Now in C part, it is given 3 bottles of lemonade at ₹15 each. ठीक है, उसने नींबू पानी लिया 15 रुपीज ईच का. 3 bottles उसने परचेज की. So to find out the money spent on lemonade, we will multiply 15 by 3, and that is equal to ₹45. Now in D part, 7 oranges at ₹7 each. 7 oranges उसने परचेज किए और 1 orange का प्राइस था 7 rupees. So to find out the money spent on oranges, we will multiply ₹7 by 7, and that is equal to ₹49. Now in E part, 6 lemons at ₹2 each. उसने 6 lemon परचेज किए और 1 lemon जो था वो 2 rupees का था. So to find out the money spent on lemons, we will multiply 2 by 6, and that is equal to ₹12. Okay, so now she wants to find out the total money she has spent on these. So we will add. Okay, now we will start from our right hand side. So here it is given 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 5, 5, 5 plus 9, 14, 14 plus 2, 16. So here we will write 6 and 1 will be carryover. Now 1 plus 9, 10, 10 plus 6, 16, 16 plus 4, 20, 20 plus 4, 24, 24 plus 1, 25. So here we will write 5 and 2 will be carryover. Now 2 plus 1, 3. So here we will write 3. So what is the total amount she spent to make fruit punch for the party? That is equal to ₹356. Okay. Now question number 2 of this same question. How much change will she get back from the shopkeeper if she gives a 500 rupee note? So beta, she gave 500 rupee, she gives 500 rupee note to the shopkeeper. Now we have to find out that how much money she will get back. So to find out that money, we need to subtract the amount of money that she has spent on for fruit punch from 500. So we will write here ₹500 and ₹356. Now we will subtract it. So here you can see 0 minus 6, that is not possible. So the 0 will take borrow, but here also 0 is given. So first of all, this left hand side 0 will take borrow and it will become 10, and this 5 will become 4. Now this 0 will become 10 and this 10 will become 9. Now we will subtract. So 10 minus 6, that is equal to 4, and 9 minus 5, that is also equal to 4. 4 minus 3, that is equal to 1. So beta, how much money the shopkeeper will give back to her? That is 140 4 rupees. So we will write here answer, she will get back rupees 144. Understood, beta? Now, what's question of page number 22? So here in this question, beta, it is given, it's Meenakshi's birthday. She is gifted with rupees 2000 by her mother to organize her birthday party. ओके तो मीनाक्षी का बर्थडे था बेटा है और उसकी मदर ने उसे 2000 रुपीज दिए टू ऑर्गेनाइज बर्थडे पार्टी. So here in A part it is given she invites 12 children in her party. She makes up party bags of sweets for everyone. The sweets in each bag cost rupees 40. How much will all the sweets in bags cost? So beta here there are total 12 children, okay, and she makes up party bags for everyone, okay, and one party bag's cost is rupees 40. And now how many bags she needs to prepare? That is 12 because 12 children is there. Now how much will all these sweets in bags cost? Now we have to find out that how much money she has spent on the sweets bags. So when beta we have given the price of 1, okay, and we want to find out for many, we will multiply, okay. So here we will write that cost of one bag is equal to rupees 40, and now we have to find out the cost of 12 bags. So here we will find out the cost of 12 bags. So for that we will multiply rupees 40 by 12, okay. So first of all we will write 0 here, and 12 fours are 48. So how much money she has spent? Rupees 480, okay, on sweets bags. Understood, beta? So here answer is rupees 480. Now beta in B part it is given she needs some music for the party. She buys 2 CDs for cost rupees 175 each. What is the total amount she spent on CDs? Okay, so here beta we know that one CD cost of one CD is equal to rupees 175, and we want to find out the cost of 2 CDs. So cost of 2 CDs is equal to rupees 175 multiplied by 2. Okay, so here at the side we will multiply. So 2 fives are 10. So here we will write 0 and 1 will be carry over. Now 2 sevens are 14. 14 plus 1 15. So here we will write 5 and 1 will be carry over. Now 2 ones are 2, 2 plus 1, 3. So what is the cost of 2 CDs? That is equal to rupees 350. Okay beta? So answer is rupees 350. Now in C part, it is given she pays a rupee 500 note for CD. How much change does she get back? Okay, so beta she pays 500 note for CD. Okay, so now how much is the price of CDs? That is equal to rupees 350. Cost of 2 CDs is equal to rupees 350. Now how much money she gets back? Okay, so money she gets back, for that we need to subtract the given amounts. So here we will start from our right hand side. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 5, that is not possible. So here we will take borrow, and this 0 will become 10 and this 5 will become 4. Now 10 minus 5, 5. 4 minus 3, 1. So what is the answer beta? That is rupees 150. Okay. Now in D part, it is given that she goes to supermarket to buy drinks. She could buy 4 liters of Pepsi at the rate of rupees 55 each liter, or 3 liters of juice at the rate of rupees 80 each liter. Okay, which one would be cheaper and by how much? So beta, what do you mean by this question? That so she wants to arrange for the party ना, so बेटा she goes to supermarket. वो supermarket गई और उसने वहां पे देखा कि 4 liters of Pepsi या तो वो परचेज करेगी, ठीक है, जिसकी कॉस्ट क्या थी रुपीज 55 ईच लीटर, ओके, और या फिर वो 3 लीटर ऑफ जूस लेगी जिसमें 1 लीटर जूस का प्राइस है ₹80। नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट दैट विच वन वुड बी चीपर। कौन सा सस्ता होता है, चीपर मीन्स सस्ता, एंड बाय हाउ मच, ठीक है, और कितना सस्ता होगा वो। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल we will write cost of 1 liter of Pepsi is equal to ₹55. Okay, now we have to find out the cost of 4 liters of Pepsi. Okay, that is equal to ₹55 multiplied by 4, and that is equal to, here at the side we will find out 4 fives are 20, so here we will write 0 and 2 will be carry over. Now 4 fives are 20, 20 plus 2, 22. So what is the answer? That is 220 rupees. It means कि if she wants to purchase Pepsi, then how much she has to pay? Rupees 220. Okay. Now, or another way, there is one another option she has, that is 3 liters of juice. So let's find out the cost of 3 liters of juice. So we will write here cost of 1 liter of juice is equal to rupees 80. Okay, and we have to find out for 3 liters. So cost of 3 liters of juice is equal to rupees 80 multiplied by 3, and that is equal to rupees 240, because 8 threes are 24. Okay, and we will put 0 at the right hand side of 24. So what is the answer? 240. Now you can see beta, Pepsi cost is rupees 220 and juice cost is rupees 240. So which one is cheaper? That is Pepsi. So Pepsi cost is cheaper. Now we have to find out that by how much. So for that we needed to subtract the amount of juice, okay, and Pepsi. So here which one is the greater? That is cost of juice. So first of all we will write 240 and after that we will subtract 220 from it. Okay, so here we will write cost of Pepsi is cheaper by rupees 240 minus rupees 220, and that is equal to rupees 20 only. Understood beta? Now we will learn about division of money. अब हम money की division learn करेंगे. Okay, so beta, the process of division of money is similar to ordinary division of numbers. जो हम वैसे already सीख चुके हैं division वैसी ही होती है. Only the difference is that there is rupees and paise. Okay, so let's see how. Now beta, division sums of money. Now I am going to tell you what are the steps you have to follow to solve a division sums. Okay, so steps to be followed. Number one, step number one, divide the figure in rupees column first. सबसे पहले बेटा in division sums you have to solve a rupees column. Okay, and step number two, when we get the remainder as 0, bring down the figure in paise column and divided by the divisor. So बेटा जब हम रुपीस के कॉलम को सॉल्व कर लेंगे और हमारा रिमाइंडर 0 आ जाएगा, तब हमें पैसे वाले कॉलम को नीचे उतारना है, and then we have to solve पैसे column, and after that we have to write the quotient of both rupees and पैसे कॉलम collectively. और फिर उसके बाद हमें पैसे और रुपीस के जो कॉलम है उसमें जो हमारा क्वोशंट आया है उसे collectively लिखना है. So let's see how. Now beta, we will do one example of division sums of money. So here it is given, divide rupees 792.84 by 6. So here 792.84 is the dividend and 6 is the divisor. So here we will write the dividend, okay, and we will write here rupees and paise, because here in this amount 792 is rupees and 84 is paise. Okay, so here we will divide it by 6. So here at the divisor's place we will write 6. Now beta, first we have to solve a rupees column. So we will start from our left hand side. So here 7 is the greater number than 6, so we can divide it by 6. So 6 ones are 6. So here at the quotient place we will write 1 and below 7 we will write 6. Now we have to subtract. So 7 minus 6, that is equal to 1. Now one by one we will bring down the digits. So here 9 is there, so we will bring down 9 here. Now the number becomes 1919. Now we have to see that in table of 6, 19 comes or not. We know that 19 not comes in the table of 6. So what we will do? We will write the smaller number than 19 below it. Okay, so 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18 and 6 fours are 24. So 24 is the greater number. So we will write 6 threes are 18 below it. So here at the quotient place we will write 3 and below 19 we will write 18. Now we have to subtract. 9 minus 8, that is equal to 1. Now what we will do, we will bring down this 2 and 1 minus 1 is 0. So 2 we will bring down and the number becomes 12. We know that 12 comes in the table of 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. So here we will write 2 at quotient place and 12 below 12. Now we have to subtract. So 12 minus 12, that is equal to 0. Okay. Now we will bring down the paise column. So 132 rupees are there. Okay. Now we have to solve paise column. That is 84. Okay. And we have to divide it by 6. So let's start here. The first digit is 8 from our left hand side. So we can divide 8 by 6. So here we will write 1 at quotient place and 6 below 8. Now we have to subtract. So 8 minus 6, that is equal to 2. Now we will bring down 4 and the number becomes 24, and we know that in the table of 6 24 comes at which number? At number 4. So here we will write 4 at quotient place and 24 below 24. Now we have to subtract. So 4 minus 4, 0 and 2 minus 2, 0. So what is the answer? That is 132 rupees 14 paise. Now we will write it collectively like this, rupees 132.14. Understood, beta? Now we will do some questions of it. Now beta, we will do exercise 2F question number 1. In A part, it is given divide rupees 260.36 by 2. Now here the dividend is rupees 260.36 and divisor is 2. So first of all we will write here dividend, that is 260.36. Now we have to write the divisor, and first of all beta we will write here rupees and paise. Here 260 are rupees and 36 are paise. Now we have to divide it by 2. So let's start from our left hand side. So 2 divided by 2, that is equal to 1. So here at quotient place we will write 1 and 2 we will write below 2. So now we have to subtract. So 2 minus 2, that is equal to 0. Now we will bring down this 6. Okay. So now we have to divide 6 by 2 and that is equal to 3. So here we will write 3 at quotient place and we will write 6 below 6. Now we have to subtract it again. So 6 minus 6, that is equal to 0. Now we will bring down this 0. Okay, now we will divide 0 by 2, and when we divide 0 by 2, the answer is 0. So here we will write 0 at quotient place. Okay, so now we have solved our rupees column because here the remainder is 0. So 130 rupees are there. Now we have to divide 36 paise by 2. So we will bring down 36 paise here. Okay, and now we have to divide it by 2. So again we have to speak the table of 2 here and we have to divide 3 by 2. So we will write 2 below 2 and here at quotient place we will write 1. 2 ones are 2. Okay, now we will subtract. So 3 minus 2, that is equal to 1. And now we will bring down the 6. Now the number becomes 1616. Now we have to divide 16 by 2 and 16 divided by 2 is equal to 8. So here we will write 8 at quotient place and here we will write 16 below 16. Now we have to subtract. So 6 minus 6, 0, 1 minus 1, 0. So what is the answer? That are 130 rupees and 18 paise. Now we have to write it collectively like this. Answer is rupees 130.18. Okay. Now beta, In B part, it is given divide rupees 738.60 by 6. Now here 738.60 is the dividend and 6 is the divisor. So first of all we will write dividend here. Okay, now we have to write here rupees and paise because 738 are rupees and 60 are paise. Now we have to divide it by 6. So now we will start from our left hand side. So here we will divide 7 by 6. So here we will get the quotient 1 and we will write 6 below 7. Now we have to subtract. So 7 minus 6, that is equal to 1. Now we will bring down this 3 here and now the number becomes 1, 3, 13. Okay, now we have to divide 13 by 6. We will get quotient as 2 and we will write here 12 below 13. Now we have to subtract. So 13 minus 12, that is equal to 1. Now we will bring down this 8 and we will write here 8. So now the number becomes, that is 1, 8, 18. Now we will divide 18 by 6. So we will get quotient as 3. Okay, and we will write 18 below 18. Now we have to subtract. So 8 minus 8, 0 and 1 minus 1, 0. So here rupees, in rupees column 123 rupees are there in as quotient place. Now we have to bring down this paise, that are 60. Now we have to divide this 60 by 6. Okay. So here first of all we will divide 6 by 6, that is equal to 1. So here at quotient's place we will write 1 and below 6 we will write 6. Now we have to subtract. So 6 minus 6, that is equal to 0. Now we will bring down this 0. Okay. So when we divide 0 by 6 we will get 0. So here at quotient's place we will write 0. So there are 10 paise. Now we have to write the answer collectively and that is equal to rupees 123.10. Understood, beta? Now in C part, it is given divide rupees 438.42 by 3. So here 438.42 is the dividend and 3 is the divisor. So first of all we will write the dividend. Okay, and above this we will write the rupees and paise. Now we have to divide it by 3. So let's start from our left hand side. So here 4 divided by 3. So we get 1 as a quotient and 1 as remainder. We will subtract 4 minus 3, that is equal to 1. Now we will bring down this 3 and the number becomes 1, 3, 13. Now we have to divide 13 by 3. So we will write here 4 as quotient and write 12 as below 13. Okay, so we will subtract 13 minus 12 and we will get 1. Now we will bring down this 8. Now the number becomes 1, 8, 18. Now we have to divide 18 by 3. So 18 divided by 3 is equal to 6. So here at quotient place we will write 6 and below 18 we will write 18. Now we have to subtract. So 18 minus 18, that is equal to 0. Now we have to solve paise column. So here 146 rupees we will get here. Now we will bring down paise columns. Here that is 42. Now we have to divide it by 3. So now let's start from our left hand side. So here 4 divided by 3, that is equal to 1 as quotient and 1 as remainder. Okay. So 4 minus 3 is 1. Now we have to bring down this 2 and the number becomes 1 to 12. Now we have to divide 12 by 3 and that is equal to 4. So here we will write 4 at quotient's place and we will write here 12 below 12. Now we have to subtract. So 2 minus 2 is 0 and 1 minus 1 is 0. So 14 paise we will get here. Okay, so what is the answer? That is 146 rupees and 14 paise. Now we have to write it collectively, that is rupees 146.14. Okay. Now beta, today's homework. You have to do exercise 2F question number 1 parts D to F. Okay, in your notebook which is given on page number 23. D part, it is given divide rupees 854.63 by 7. In E part, it is given divide rupees 125.50 by 5. In F part, divide rupees 690.90 by 3. Okay, you have to do this work in your notebook. Okay. Now the homework solution of lecture number 5. So I had given you exercise 2D word problem sums. So here in question number 5 it is given, in his bank account Ram deposited rupees 1500 in October, rupees 590 in November and rupees 607.75 in December. Find the total amount deposited by him in these 3 months. So to find out the total deposit, we need to add the given amounts. So here we will write rupees and paise column first of all. Then Ram deposited money in October month, that is equal to 1500, and deposited money in November, that is equal to 590 rupees, and deposited money in December, that is equal to 607 rupees 75 paise. Now we have to find out the total amount deposited in 3 months. So here we need to add. So we will put plus sign. Now we will solve paise column first of all. So 0 plus 0 plus 5, that is equal to 5. 0 plus 0 plus 7, that is equal to 7. 0 plus 0 plus 7, 7. 0 plus 9 plus 0, 9. Now 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 6, 16. So here we will write 6 and 1 will be carryover. Now 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 0, 2. 2 plus 0, 2. So here we will write 2. So how much money Ram has deposited in 3 months, that is equal to 2697 rupees and 75 paise. So collectively we can write it like this, rupees 2697.75. Now question number 6. Nina has rupees 627.43 with her. She went for shopping and spent rupees 287.62. How much money is left with her? So to find out the leftover money, we need to subtract the given amounts. So here we will write first of all rupees and paise column. Then Nina has money, that is equal to 627 rupees and 43 paise. Now she spent money, that is equal to 287 rupees 62 paise. Now money left with her. So for that we need to subtract the given amounts. So let's start from our right hand side. So 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. 4 minus 6, that is not possible. So here we will take borrow, and this 4 will become 14 and this 7 will become 6. Now 14 minus 6, that is equal to 8. 6 minus 7, that is not possible. So here again we will take borrow, and this 6 will become 16 and this 2 will become 1. Now 16 minus 7. So here we will write 9. 1 minus 8, that is not possible. So this 1 will take borrow and it will become 1 plus 10, 11. And this 6 will become 6 minus 1, 5. Now 11 minus 8, that is equal to 3. And 5 minus 2, that is also equal to 3. So what is the answer? That is 339 rupees 81 paise. And collectively we can write it. Money left with her is rupees 339.81. Okay. Now exercise 2E. Question number E. So here it is given rupees and paise. 156 rupees 42 paise, and we have to multiply it by 2. So let's start from our right hand side. So 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12. So here we will write 2 and 1 will be carryover. Now 2 5s are 10, 10 plus 1, 11. So here we will write 1 and 1 will be carryover. Now 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 1, 3. So here we will write 3. So what is the answer? That is 312 rupees 84 paise. How we can write it collectively? The product is 312.84 rupees 312.84. Now in F part, rupees and paise are given. 100 rupees 49 paise, and we have to multiply it by 3. So here we need to speak the table of 3. 3 multiplied by 9, that is equal to 27. So here we will write 7 and 2 will be carryover. Now 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 2, 14. So here we will write 4 and 1 will be carryover. Now 3 zeros are 0, 0 plus 1, 1. 3 zeros are 0, 3 ones are 3. So what is the answer? That is rupees 301.42 47. This is the product. Now in G part, again we have given rupees and paise, 79 rupees 92 paise, and we have to multiply it by 5. So 5 twos are 10, so here we will write 0 and 1 will be carry over. Now 5 nines are 45, 45 plus 1, 46, so here we will write 6 and 4 will be carry over. 5 nines are 45, 45 plus 4, that is 49, so here we will write 9 and 4 will be carry over. Now 5 sevens are 35, 35 plus 4, that is 39. So here we will write 39. So what is the answer? That is rupees 399 and 60 paise. So here we will write it collectively. The product is rupees 399.60. Now in H part, again rupees and paise are given, 52 rupees 73 paise, and we have to multiply it by 8. So let's start from our right hand side. So 8 multiplied by 3, that is equal to 24. So here we will write 4 and 2 will be carry over. Now 8 sevens are 56, 56 plus 2, 58. So here we will write 8 and 5 will be carry over. Now 8 multiplied by 2 is 16, 16 plus 5, that is equal to 21. So here we will write 1 and 2 will be carry over. Now 8 multiplied by 5 is 40, 40 plus 2, that is 42. So here we will write 42. So what is the answer? That is 421 rupees 84 paise. Now we have to write it collectively. The product is rupees 421.84. Understood, beta? Thank you.